So this is the Learn Zone of Math 180. This is where they complete the lesson. It starts with the instructional video. So if I were to click play here, it will explain to them what they're going to be learning. So they're learning about motion, and they'll explain what is motion, give them real world examples. They can also, if you notice, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, where it's certain spots that have important information for them and the steps that they're going to be following. So the first step is when you're finding the distance the object has traveled. If you go to the second one, you'll see the next step is you're using the graph to find the distance. And this just makes it really nice for them because if there's a specific step that they're struggling on, they can just go back to that specific step. So once they watch the video, they can try a problem. And it will look like this. Now, I have already been working on this. Normally it would start on the try section, but I'm already on the practice section. The try section was just a little bit easier. It started off more simple, but they're pretty similar. They just get harder over time. So they have the directions for them. They can always listen to them on their headset if they want it read to them by clicking the icon here. And what they're going to do is they'd press the play for the motion to see how far the bicycle is going to go. So notice how the time is going by and it stops right at 4 seconds because the question is asking you in 4 seconds. You can see that it stops at 20 meters here. That's where the bike lands, and they have an arrow for them. Also, you can see that the orange lit up on the line on the graph, and it stops at 20 meters and at 4 seconds. When I type in 20 meters here, it also shows the student the lines that connects that point. I love that feature because it really shows them this is how you locate a point. This is how these are connected, and it shows those lines. Then they can check it. And notice it's green because you got it right. If it was not right, it would be red. And it gives students the ability to see how they're doing as they're going through this. So it's pretty similar throughout, but it gets more challenging over time, as I said. If students are feeling excellent about it and they're like, wow, this is a breeze, this is too easy, they can go down here to the fast track, which is what I'm going to talk about next.